the fire pit, take it apart, and we're just going to stack it up behind the shed. You don't rebuild it, just put the material up there.
Okay, esta hay que removerla, ponerla de otra casita. Okay, pero no es basura, es bueno.
Same with these small pavers.
También es igual, también para allá.
Okay, these big pavers, we picking these up, and we're going to make one sidewalk, straight line to the chicken coop.
It's on top of the grass?
Yeah, just on top of the grass, buddy.
Okay.
Just make a straight line right here. Just space them evenly. Okay. So we'll do that first, and then over here, the two gutters. We're going to tie them together.
Okay.
And we're going to go over here on the hill. Yep. The pipe come out right there.
Daylight, Papa.
Just daylight.
No, you don't put it Papa.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
¿Creen que les marca rápido solo?
Eche el pintazo. Reito, digo ahí. Mira que parecen curvas, viejo, así va esa chingadera.
Out behind this wall, new filter cloth, new 57 stone. Okay, and then behind the wall, the perforated pipe, you're going to come here and then connect it to this solid pipe. Okay.
The plastic one?
Just the black pipe, the drain top pipe, yeah. Cool. But the wall, we're not doing nothing with the wall. The wall is good.
Okay. No vamos a hacer nada con el muro, bicho. Todo bien aquí.
Okay.
This is the section of the patio?
Yeah, so look, the new patio, same elevation as the concrete.
Okay.
Okay? And it come out to here.
Where's the metro for the house this way?
It's just from the wall to right there.
So we're square with the concrete?
Yep, just square with the concrete. All the way up to the wall, then right square with the concrete there.
Okay.
So look, the 3-piece border, Manuel,
I can hear you.
or the 3-piece paver, we're doing an inlay border. 6x9 border, but on the inside.
Yeah.
So on the outside, we're doing one solid piece of the 3-piece, and then the 6x9 is going to be one line in.
Paver, 6x9, paver.
See?
Okay.
And the 6x9 border on the inside, this way.
Okay, longer?
Long way. And then long way here. Comprende? So you're gonna have the paver, and then the 6x9 gonna be long ways, and then the paver on the inside. Should be no. If he gets all the base today, the pavers tomorrow should be no problem.
Maybe not gonna have it 100% the base, like 100% level, ready for concrete sand tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
But maybe tomorrow start early, put the concrete sand.
Yeah.
But anyway, like today, like digging all the dirt, like put like a RC6.
Yeah.
And tomorrow put the concrete sand, put all the pavers and start maybe
Yep.
cutting. But
And
the
then-
third day cutting.
So I think Wednesday, the last day, you get maybe 1 or 2 guys finish the cutting, the poly sand, the edging, and then one guy finish up the grading around the yard, seed and straw.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
now I go in the Miguel job. I go set up the guy and come and be. I'll be call all the guys who need some help. I'll be coming here help a little bit too.
Okay.
All right.
Now, today is a lot of the handwork behind the wall.
Yeah.
But then then digging all that shit out where the machine doesn't fit.
Yeah.
But tomorrow, if he get all this base down, I think tomorrow the pavers go fucking fast, buddy.
As soon as everything is ready for the paving, it'll take that long.
Yeah.
Everything is square. A couple cut around the post, but
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be a problem. It won't take that long.
Nope, I think we're good. Just tell him be careful around the septic.
Yeah. You know you will see the
Yep.
thing.
Yep. We're just gonna put the paver right to it, and then just poly sand joint.
Okay.
Yep. Cool. And then at the end, the dirt that we put down there, it's just seed and straw. And then just all this shit's gonna have to be fixed.
Yeah.
And I tell her we're gonna save some dirt up here to put up against the edging.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Please. Cuando cortemos aquí tierra de encima, le dejamos lo que es topsoil, lo dejamos aparte para cuando ya terminemos de requear el patio aquí. Ok, porque no vamos a poner topsoil. Ok. Alright.
Cool.
Número, ve.
On the fucking truck.
That's what happened. Miguel come one day. Hey, I don't have a fucking G number. What the fuck, nigga?
Look at the fucking truck.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right.
Alright, let's go.
And hey, this is leaving today.
Extra.
I think it's gonna be 2 pallets extra.
It's not that big though.
It's not that big.
It's square.
The only problem is the fucking border. You got to pull some pieces off the one fucking pallet for the.
Put the big person.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But I don't think you need 7 pallets.
No, maybe not. Maybe like 3, 4 pallets.
Yep.
Mucho extra. We see.
Cool. You understand the pattern, right? With the border.
Lo de la 6x9. Que va
Paver 6.9.
Yeah. Yeah, on the inside.
Yeah, inside.
And then the outside border for the paver, you know what size to use, right?
You'll mix it.
For the outside paver?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right.
Not use it only one side, right?
No.
Like
You
we'll
can mix it and then you got to cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
So,
These fucking
and
these pavers are a special color.
okay.
Driftwood. It's not a color we use a lot, and these
Okay.
pallets more expensive.
Okay.
Tell him don't open one pallet and just take a couple pieces.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Try to just use the
Use
full,
the whole line.
use the whole fucking line
Bundle.
before you open the next one. I really like the colors too.
I do too. I actually wish now that I pulled up the exposed aggregate and done the whole dang thing.
Yeah.
But
That would have been significantly more though.
oh, significant.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yep, just doing all the demo and everything.
Oh yeah.
But it looks great.
Oh my God, I know. Love it. I love it.
Yeah.
I'm still a little nervous about the drainage coming down. Hopefully, but it's so much better than it was
Yeah.
as far as like the way that they graded it.
Yep.
So
Now the best thing you can do is get grass growing as soon as possible.
you ain't kidding.